Episode 8. Automate comments and community engagement. Save time, build fans. Replying to every comment takes time, but engagement boosts growth. Welcome to Episode 8 of YouTube Automation. Create smarter, not harder. Today, we'll show you how to automate comment replies. Pin top feedback. And build a loyal fanbase using tools like YouTube Studio filters, AutoHotKey scripts, and even AI auto reply generators. You'll learn how to batch respond to comments in seconds, when to pin the right comment for better visibility, how to use AI to generate helpful, friendly replies. Bonus: use auto templates to welcome subscribers and answer FAQs.